Did you guys know that comprehensible input is 4 times more efficient than traditional learning methods? In this video, you will learn how to describe places and views in English. This video is part of my 3,000 most common English words series designed to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English. Cafe, chain, iced Americano, etiquette, modern, vertigo, shiny, scan your face porn, razor wire, rusty, landfill, excited. Start the word count and let's go. Right now we're heading to see the Petronas Twin Towers. And the topic for today is describing places and views. So we'll go there, describe it, and I'll also give you guys tips on how you can describe your surroundings and things you see. I'll be using very clear English, and also me and Leon will be talking. So you get to hear a native English conversation and also learn how to describe things in English, especially what you see. So let's get started. They have some pastries and also some meals here, and also 2 bottled waters in the corner of this glass display. Those are some signs showing the combos you can buy. The combo comes with a drink and a sandwich. What do you get?
Just a black iced coffee.
Black iced coffee?
Yeah.
How much was that?
$6.90.
$6.90? Not too bad. So now I'm sitting down on this chair. There are 2 small tables with 4 chairs all around. This is a nice cafe. It's pretty empty, but it is nice. Those are display screens that show the menu and also advertise their current drinks. That right there is also the menu. Is this a popular cafe chain?
Yeah, I think this is one of the bigger ones in Malaysia, if not the biggest one.
Really?
Zeus Coffee, yeah.
I've never seen Zeus Coffee.
Yeah, I think they're only in Malaysia. But obviously you can get Starbucks too.
Yeah.
And other coffee chains as well.
Yeah, I've never even seen Zeus Coffee.
Oh, it's actually pretty good. It's not super bitter.
What coffee did you get?
I got a iced Americano.
Iced Americano.
No sugar, no milk or anything.
Just black.
Just black coffee, but it's medium roast, so it's not super bitter.
Yeah, I'm really not a coffee guy. I personally really do not like coffee. I don't enjoy it that much. This is an escalator coffee review. I don't like coffee, so we'll see.
Good, right?
Bro, let me know in the comments if you guys drink coffee. I personally never drink coffee. I don't like coffee. It's just very bitter, in my opinion. If you want to get my 3,000 most common English words PDF to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English with real clear definitions and examples organized by Sefer level and topic, then check out the link in my description to get it. You guys can see we're going down into the platform. All of these doors are for women only. Women only, and same with that side. So we cannot go here unless, are you a woman?
Not now.
Not now, what does that mean? Tomorrow?
Depending on my mood.
Yeah, so this is a woman-only coach. We're not gonna stand there, we're gonna stand here instead. And usually the proper etiquette when you're at a train station is to always stand to the side. You stand to the side so that you can let the people that are coming out of the train walk right here. So they can walk straight out, and then you stand to the side here and you wait your turn. That is just proper etiquette. Can you guys describe this MRT station for me? Describe it. This is an MRT station. The MRT station is very clean and modern. The MRT station feels very empty. So those are 3 simple sentences you can use to describe almost anything. What it is, what it looks like, so describe it, and then how it feels. So this is an MRT station. It looks clean and modern, and it feels very empty. 3 sentences, very simple, and that will make you sound a lot more fluent in English with those 3 sentences. So look around your room right now and give me 3 sentences. You can just say it to yourself, or you can write them in the comments. How would you describe your surroundings right now? So our train has just arrived and we are now going to board the train. Since there is almost no one coming out of the train, we'll stand right in front of the door and get on once these 2 doors open. So this is an underground subway station. It is very deep underground and there are many escalators, as you can see clearly. And the feeling this gives me is vertigo. I also feel like this is just really cool, modern, and clean. And it honestly feels like I'm in a super advanced country, which I am, just seeing how far these escalators come down into the ground just to have public transit for people, which is very cool. But outside of this station, nearby are the Petronas Twin Towers. So how would you describe this subway station?
2 words to describe this station would be massive, because it feels like there's multiple levels. I can see 1, 2, and 3, but I say 3 levels, but look at how far they go down and how far it goes up. So it feels massive. And I feel like during peak time, it'll be busy, but right now it's quiet.
Yeah, during rush hour, it will be busy. But now let's head up all these escalators and go outside.
All right.
Okay, look at how far this escalator goes. This is like high. And this one on my left-hand side is broken by the looks of it, and they're repairing it right now. And this is our 3rd escalator.
So if you're at the bottom, how many escalators do you have to take to get up to the top?
From the very bottom, 4.
4 escalators.
And these escalators are long.
2 of them are like really long, right?
Yeah, they're very long, so you're deep underground for sure. So to my right, you can see the Petronas Twin Towers. They are very tall and shiny, very tall and shiny. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to see the Twin Towers, but once we get closer, we'll be able to see them both like side by side. But right now it looks like one building, right?
Yeah.
Kind of does.
Because we're like parallel to them, right?
Yeah, almost, yeah. And it just feels like so cool. Like, I don't know how else I would describe it. It just feels cool and surreal to see like huge towering buildings.
Like you can't really tell the scale on video, but
These buildings
these are
huge.
huge buildings.
I don't know, I always find it really cool being in the city center, being surrounded by all the skyscrapers. I think it's like surreal that people like built this. Crazy. Let's get closer, get a better view. This is a self-serve convenience store, and you have to like scan your face to enter the shop. So I guess if you steal anything, they'll charge you. Ooh, dude, honestly, these look super good.
Yeah, that looks handmade, no?
Yeah, Tutti Frutti. That one's Tutti Frutti. That's strawberry. This one is red velvet cheese, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, they're tempting me. Oh, have you seen these? That's the chicken drumstick
Oh yeah, it looks
ice
like
cream.
fried chicken.
Yo, I want that.
You should get that. First thing you eat today is just ice cream.
A chicken drumstick ice cream. I see that all the time on TikTok, and I always think I want to try that so bad. Is that just like a cob of corn?
I think you're right. Sweet corn.
They're
Or
just selling
grilled
corn.
Yo, I want to try this. Chocolate moist.
Dude, some of this stuff looks like homemade. It's kind of
Yeah, it's
cool.
really cool.
But what I do want is a water. So yeah, this is a self-serve convenience store. It is automated and self-serve, and it feels futuristic.
And it's more convenient than a regular convenience store.
Facts though. I don't know if we're gonna come back here, but I really want to try one of these. But I haven't eaten anything today, and I don't want to have something sweet right off the bat. Now I'm gonna pay by tapping. Okay, so we were walking, and I was walking on this side, and I did not notice that there is razor wire, like right here. And I was thinking, if you're walking, like, if you look right here, that's literally in the path. So you
Yeah.
could just be walking and then slice your arm open and probably get infected. I feel like that's not really the safest thing I've seen, but
No, definitely not. I mean, because of the rust, it's not that sharp anymore, but still, that's...
yeah. So this is razor wire. It looks rusty and old, and it feels unsafe to have right along the sidewalk. Feels unsafe, but I don't make the rules. So let's just stay away from that. Okay, so we've been walking for a few minutes now. We're surrounded by these skyscrapers and high-rise apartments. And here it looks like they're clearing out this old building. I believe it was a hotel before. You can see all of this scrap metal inside these big metal containers. And these people are working. Once these are full, a truck will come and take this away and dump it in the landfill. The landfill, that's just where you dump all the garbage from a city. But let's keep going. I could just see the tip of the Petronas Tower. We're almost there, and we almost have a good view of it. So just a little bit more, and we'll be able to see it. If you're serious about becoming fluent in English, I've built a full speaking, shadowing, and pronunciation course you can follow step by step. You get instant access to over 60 video lessons right away. And I add 3 to 5 brand new lessons every week to keep the content fresh. And you're not just getting videos. You also get an exclusive ChatGPT prompt to help you master the pronunciation of any word, plus a step-by-step structure to follow so you know exactly how to practice and get the most out of every lesson. Inside, we train pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you stop hesitating and start speaking with real confidence. Now here's a sneak peek at what you get the moment you join. So I wouldn't take legal action down to he already so cranky. Jeans and 1 hoodie, which click the link in my description to join. Okay, so we decided to make a quick pit stop at this mall to try these Chinese burgers.
Chinese beef roti. They got chicken and beef.
Yeah, Leon said they're good, so we're gonna wait in line and we're each gonna get one. Smells super good.
Oh,
so
yeah.
let's get these and then enjoy them. Oh yeah, you can see the beef there.
Yeah, they're making them right there.
Oh,
Right?
that's so buttery. That's butter, eh, or is
I think it's oil.
oil?
Yeah, but no, it's very oily.
Those look super good.
And there's the finished ones up there, but we'll get a closer look at those.
I guess the beef one, eh?
Oh yeah, 100%.
So now he's like rolling them, and then I think the guy over there will smash them.
Yeah, these must be the cookers there, right? Those big round pans.
So how would you guys describe these? These are beef rotis. They are very, very hot and very crispy. And I feel like this will be delicious.
Ooh, they smell so good.
How would you describe them?
I'd say they're quite oily. You can see on the bag already, it's seeping through. And they smell delicious. They smell like beef and onion.
Facts. And how do you feel?
I'm honestly excited to eat these. I know they're gonna be juicy, and it's honestly really heavy, so it feels like it's quite a lot.
Yeah. It tastes like a fried wonton.
Yeah, exactly.
The
It might
The
be a
dough
similar dough.
We're in the Petronas Tower now. In the background, you could hear the piano playing, but that right there is a Formula One race car. So this was used officially.
Yeah, it was used to race F1. But yeah, they're the primary sponsor of the Mercedes F1 team.
I did not know that.
You could tell because they have the biggest logo on the side.
If I had to describe this, I would say this is Suria Mall. It's kind of old and not too busy. And I feel like there is a lot of history in this mall since it's been here for a long time. That's how I would describe this mall. But yeah, how would you guys describe this mall? Look around and make 3 sentences to describe this mall. Leave it in the comments or take a video of yourself saying those 3 sentences. Okay, so we are now outside of the Petronas Twin Towers, and you can just see how massive it is, and everything is just like chrome, polished chrome. The vibes this is giving me is Terminator, like that like metallic chrome, just Terminator.
Wow.
Let's get a better view. Okay guys, these are the Petronas Twin Towers. Absolutely massive and beautiful. The first question is, what is the correct sentence to describe this place? Choose the best sentence to describe how this place feels. Remember guys to check the comments for the correct answer after you have thought of your answer. The final question is, which sentence is a comparison? A comparison. 6-7. In this lesson, I want you to shadow glass display. Those are nice. Cafe. It's pretty empty. Cafe chain?
Yeah, I think this is one Americano.
Iced Americano.
No.
Coffee review. I don't like coffee, so the proper etiquette when you're at a train station, clean and modern. The M gives me is Vertigo. I also feel during rush hour it will be busy and shiny, very tall and shiny. I have to like scan your face to enter the shop. Like a cob of corn.
I think you're right.
There is razor wire, like right here. It looks rusty and old, and it feels, you can see all of this scrap metal inside these big, dump it in the landfill. The landfill, that's just, and very crispy. And I feel like this will be.
I'm honestly excited to eat these. I'm primary sponsor of the Mercedes F1.
Everything is just like chrome, polished chrome. And if you want to get these t-shirts, check out volkaenglish.com. And remember guys, you will become fluent in English.